Facts, we're gonna track. No cap. I ain't gonna lie. It was hot as hell. I ain't gonna hold you. It's only 40, but shit, feel like 70. Put the windows up. I don't want to sound bad on the camera. Y'all hear that? Yo, when this shit, I ain't gonna lie, yo. Hold on. Excuse my French. But when this car is in tracker sport, yo, like, it just move different. Like, you hit the gas and you just feel that kick. Like, you hear the whine. Yes, I have a scat pack, but I'm pushing like 600 plus horsepower in the scat though. Like, it's not a regular scat. Like, I had to cop me a red. Y'all can't even see because I got the exposure down, but I had to cop me a red SRT key just to unlock the extra horsepower in the scat, man. Cause you know we got the tune, we got all types of stuff. Feel me? Got the chip down here. I don't know if y'all see the chip down there. We got a chip down there, like. But yeah, nah, this shit push, man. I'm gonna see if I adjust the exposure so y'all can see a little better. Alright, y'all let me know if that's better in the comments. Like, I need feedback. I gotta have sandwich right there, I ain't gonna lie. But just give me feedback for me. I need y'all feedback. Let me see the part here. RPMs. But yeah, y'all give me feedback. Y'all like the exposure I was on at first, or this exposure better? Woo! I ain't gonna lie, like, I be forgetting how much powerful it is in track. Cause yo, I be holding it, I be leaving it on eco just to save gas. Feel me? Like, look, my gas tank almost down already. Like, every time we go too crazy on the speedometer though, I'm gonna try to cover it up. Actually, I don't really care. What they gonna do? Come get me. Tell the ops come get me. I don't know if like, let me go closer. I don't know if y'all hear like that whine though. Woo! We gotta hurry up and get to the crib, man. We just had a good workout. It's that time. We just left early finish. It's that time to get to the crib. We gotta go over some bridges though. I ain't gonna lie, I like going to different LA finishes. Cause I got the statewide one, so I just be going to different gyms, seeing different faces. Feel me? Just get through that lane. Well, this dude right here, man, he over here squeezing me in. Like, what's up, yo? I hate, like, I feel like people do it on purpose. They see a nice car, they know what I'm trying to do. Like, come on, yo. Look, now he gonna hit his brake. Yo, I just know y'all seen that. Now he gonna go in front of me, hit his brake. Like, what's up with him? Ooh, you heard that in the tunnel? Hold up, I'm gonna use the gears. I'm gonna use the paddle shifters. Oh, I actually got another idea that I've been supposed to do. I'm getting new paddle shifters, but y'all let me know if I should get them like red carbon, like the steering wheel is like red carbon, or black carbon to match the rest of the steering wheel, or look at the map, I'll be good. Or y'all let me know if I should just get like regular red just to match the, you know, the interior. Y'all just let me know, man. What y'all think is gonna be best? I'm thinking maybe one of the carbons, either red carbon. Maybe I should go red carbon because it only has a little bit of red carbon, so it just pops more. It's alright though. Like, I'll be leaving red on the ambient lighting. Y'all know we got the stars in here. I'm telling you, man, my scat, man, this shit decked out. And they trying to buy it today. I actually have an appointment today in 2 hours, so I'm about to make a whole nother video of that too. I have an appointment today in 2 hours to go fix something on the car. Y'all would not believe this, but I'm not even gonna say nothing about the car right now. I'ma just feel me. The car's still running perfectly, as y'all see. But I'ma just make a whole other video. Cause I feel like they trying to mess with me right now at the dealership. And I'm not gonna let shit slide. I'm not gonna let shit slide. That video might fuck around and go viral the way I'm finna turn up in that dealership. I ain't gonna lie. I'm probably not gonna turn up, but let me get this gear down. If y'all don't know how to use paddle shifters, just watch and learn a little bit. Feel me? I ain't gonna get too much into it. If y'all want a whole video on how to use paddle shifters on your car or any car, just let me know. Feel me? Same thing as using a stick. Obviously, this charger is not stick shift, so y'all just let me know. Man, some traffic right now though. We gotta get through this bitch. The only thing about using gears, when you slow down, it's gonna, for me, it's gonna drop gears. So then you gotta keep hitting that shit. Every time you try to hit the gas, it's gonna pop even more though. It's gonna pop a lot with the gears. I don't know if y'all hear that. When the RPMs drop, damn. Man, let me lower down the windows a little bit. I don't know if y'all really hear that shit. Y'all hear that shit? God damn. Oh my goodness. Yo, y'all won't even believe me, bro. I don't got no special tunes. I just have a custom exhaust. Y'all wanna know my exhaust? Comment down below. I'll put that in another video. I'll mention my whole setup. Hear that pops though. Oh my goodness. Oh no, you got police right there. What you gonna do though? You gotta push right there with it. What he gonna do? Nothing. He not gonna do nothing. Yo, is that the Dodge Hornet? What the fuck is that? Hold on, let me zoom into that shit. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, yo. If y'all like electric, that's on y'all. Me personally, I just could never do it. I could never do it, man. Electric, Dodge kills me going electric. Yo, I'm actually about to this little update. I'm about to get the glow one with the light, the SRT one. Ooh, yo, this shit just kick, and it obviously kicks more when you got it in gears because the RPMs obviously raise higher, so this shit's gonna pull. I don't know if y'all can really tell through the camera, like, cause I'm going back with the car. I don't know if y'all can tell through the camera, like, how much it's kicking back. Damn. Oh my goodness. Nah, see, like, look at the electric car going mad slow. You see what I'm talking about? Let's skip through that lane. Ooh, you heard that tuttle? Oh, I ain't gonna lie, we had to take that exit. But there's a car, they're routing right now, so we're not gonna take that exit. I'll put the windows back up, cause like I said, I don't know how. I don't be making these videos, so I don't know if y'all can hear or not. But it's alright, we'll take the next exit. It's cool, it's all cool. We in a rush, but I'm also like not trying to get put up right now, so I'm trying to keep it, under the minimum. But the kick is crazy, like. Even when I got it on gear 5, cause I could easily drop down to gear 4 and just kick up even more. Like, look, Pete, look, and it's right too, cause the RPMs get high. That's one thing about the steering wheel. You might feel like you're doing something wrong, but you're really not. You're just, for me, you're just pulling that bitch. But maybe if when you drop it, RPMs go high, and that car kick, boy. Like, you see what I'm saying? Oh my God, I was about to switch lanes, but is that an M4? Ooh, that M4, boy. Like, it's really crazy, y'all. I'll be feeling like my SRT 392, I be feeling like it's just so powerful as fuck. But the crazy thing is, like, it's not even pushing 700 like a cat. And then when you think about, like, yo, F that, F a cat. What about the demons? What about the demon 170s? Like, yo, you talking about 1,000? You see what I'm saying? So, like I said, I got 2 years on this car note, and I want to pay it off, right? I want to do that. I don't want to trade it in for no hellcat, because I just put so much blood, sweat, and tears, so much customization into this. I had to get over real quick, my fault. But, oh my goodness. That's what I'm saying. They scat packs is not sounding like this. You see what I'm saying? This scat packs is not sounding like this. But yeah, so I put so much customization, like from the ambient lighting to the tune to the steering wheel, the SRT, like star lights. Like, I just feel like I can't get rid of it. You feel what I'm saying? So my thing is, I said, yo, let's pay it off and let's just go. Like, let's go all the way decked out on the car. Let's take the engine out, because I'm still gonna have the car at heart, for me. Oh, what is that, scat pack? Little scat pack right there. I don't know if y'all can see that blue one. But yeah, so I said, let's go all the way, bro. Hold on, I ain't gonna lie. I think my booty warmers is on. And I don't know why, because it's hot as shit. I just got at the gym. Like, what are you doing, bro? Hold on, we about to go in the tunnel, though. Let me drop that gear. Holy shit. See what I'm saying? It's like sometimes you could go higher gears just to slow down the car, just to release it a little bit. If not, you still be feeling that kick. Feel me? You drop down gears to slow down, hit the brake, or you drop down gears to excel real fast and hit that gas at the same time. Like, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm just slow down, so I don't really slam on the brakes. Feel me? Get a little pops going down. For me, at 2, it's gonna drop down to 1 by itself. You feel what I'm saying? So, but yeah, like I was saying, and then we could just hellcat swap this bitch. Actually, not even hellcat swap. I'm really gonna demon 170 it. Feel me? The first person I saw do that was SRT Lynn. Shout out him, for me. And then the second person I saw do it was Quan. Feel me? So yeah, they both went crazy on it. So imagine, like, me going from a scat pack and just swapping, like, not even to a hellcat, straight to a demon. Like, I know SRT Joey just swapped his scat to a hellcat, but shit, I'm skipping the hellcat. I'm going straight to a demon, yo. Like, imagine that shit. Like, thank God I started with this first, because I feel like if I would have started with a hellcat first, maybe I would have just got it, because I ain't gonna lie. This car, like, I mastered it. I mastered it fast. So maybe I would have just mastered the hellcat, but I guess maybe it's a little easier. You start off with a scat 392 engine and then get up to a hellcat, for me. Maybe it's a little, you know, more experimental like that, you know, have more experience. But yeah, I'm going crazy right now. Ooh, I see a Charlie over there though. What you doing? We are almost at the crib now. I just wanted to get a little POV drive. Y'all let me know what videos y'all want in the comments, and I'll make that happen. Oh, a cop in my bugger. Oh yeah, let me know. Yeah, let me tone it down. The cop right there. I saw him put his head down. He was looking. If I would have kept going, I mean, that boy probably would have busted a U-turn. All I did was make a little noise for me. Don't come after me, man. I better not get no ticket in the mail, but we about to hit the crib. I'm not gonna show where I live, obviously, for me. People be weird and shit, but yeah, man, I just wanna give y'all a little POV for me. I'm gonna do better POVs where I get, you know, more content, more different sides of the car. Obviously, if we was in the track a little bit, yo, I'm telling you, bro, like, there's a whole different car in track. When all that's in track, bro, yo, it's like a whole different car. Like, you see the RPMs, they move faster. Look, I'm not even hitting the gas like that. I'm regular. Look, you hear that? Oh my, y'all heard that shit? You heard the pop? Yo, look, that's it for this video, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all keep subscribing to this SRT Jojo. If this is y'all first time finding me, like, ever, I got a whole main channel, Jojo Official, feel me? I'll put that in the description. But yeah, man, Jojo out, and I'm telling you, there's gonna be, feel me, hella car content. Y'all let me know exactly what videos y'all want. And yeah, man, we just gonna keep running it up, man. It's all for y'all. Y'all just let me know what y'all want, and I'm gonna get it done. Feel me? But as far as that, we out.